Nacsh, the chef. Today Nacsh is going to prepare cookies. What? What, Nacsh? Nacsh, what are you going to prepare? Cookies. He has added maida, 1 cup. He is adding sugar. Sugar 1 cup. And then ghee. Yes. Oh. Nacho. Now sugar, ghee, maida, all of it. Now she's going to mix it well. Mix it. Mix it, Baba. Yes. Mix it. Whisk. It's going. Whisk. Whisk for making cookies. Yeah. How many minutes you have to whisk, Nacho? 15 minutes. 17 minutes, okay. Okay, as per the chef says, it is 17 minutes. What are you doing, Mr. Chef? You're enjoying? Okay. Is it yummy? Wait. What's the chef doing? Chef has to make cookies. Round. Chef is very small, so Amuma is helping him. Oh, yes. Press it. Placing the cookie for baking.
This is for cookies.
This is for cookies.
This is for making cookies. Yes.
9.
More than 9 we can make? No. Okay.
Almost 9 he can make, I think so.
I don't know.
With this 10 cookies?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Keep it. Yes. Now you're going to bake it. Nacho is rotating and playing, waiting for the yummy cookies. Cookies are ready.
Taste it.
Taste it. How's it? Taste it and say, how's it? Yummy? Oh, where are you going? Yes. Have it and say, Mr. Nacsh. Cookies. Yummy. Yummy. Cookies. Yummy cookies. Yummy cookies for babies like Nacho, right? Chef doesn't have time to talk, it seems. Thank you.